Okay, now the next topic is membership operator. Here membership operators are two, in and not in. Here now, as we are taking as a string here, that is known as computer. In this string we are taking the text as computer. So how can it would be in? That means we are searching any character or any element in the string. If we find, then the answer would be true, otherwise it would be false here. Or in case if we are using if statement, so statement would be executed or not executed. It depends on the function, it depends on the operator there. How can it be possible? Now let's see. If C in S, if we have C character in this S string, then only this statement would be printed, would be executed, otherwise not. Let's see. C has the first place in this string, so the condition is true. Condition is true, that means this print statement would be executed. Let's see not in, how it would be operated. If C not in S, then only this print statement would be executed, but still C is in this string here, so this operator will give you answer as false. Its condition here is false and here it was true here, so this statement would not be executed here. This statement would not be executed in this way here. Now the next one is string functions and methods. Is the next topic. We are taking here str, a string name here, and computer science we are taking the text or string in this variable here. Now the first method is str dot capitalize. This is the object, this is the string here, and dot operator is used to access the properties of the object here, and the function name is capitalize. What do you mean by capitalize? It would capitalize the first letter of the string here. If it is already capitalized, so there will be not any effect, or otherwise the string in lowercase